made all arrangement for tomorrow's counting, which will be held from 8 am till the end of the counting. There will be 5 counting halls. In the first shift, we will be doing the counting of first 5 constituency, that is 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5. Then once it is over, the counting of these constituencies are over, then in the second shift we will be doing for constituencies 6, 7, 8 and 9. And for all security arrangement and everything has been done, and we have taken proper security and all arrangement has been done, and all counting officials have been trained, and there will be 144 in and around this counting hall premises. And also we have banned the sale of these roadside diesels and petrols, and only in the appointed dealers only people have to buy their POL for their vehicles. And also 12th will be a dry day, and roadside consumption of any liquor will not be allowed, and there will be no mobile phones, any water bottle, bags or any ink or say any sharp objects or any spy cams, anything of this sort will not be allowed inside the counting premises. This will be true for both the counting agents and also for the counting officials, and we hope that we could able to conclude the counting peacefully tomorrow. Thank you.